In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group. Posting anonymously is really helpful when you want to ask a sensitive question, share a personal experience, or just don't feel comfortable attaching your name to a post. Facebook has a built-in feature for this in some groups, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. First, open Facebook and go to the specific group where you want to post. Make sure you're actually inside the group page, not just on your main newsfeed. Once you're there, look for the box that usually says something like "Write something" or "What's on your mind." This is the same box you would normally use to create a regular post in the group. Click on that box to start creating your post. After you've clicked, a post editor window will open. Here's where the anonymous option appears if the group has it enabled. Look for a toggle or switch labeled "Post anonymously" or "Anonymous post." It's usually near the top of the post window, above the text area, or just under your name. Go ahead and toggle that on. When you do, Facebook may show you a short explanation about how anonymous posting works in that group. When the explanation or pop-up appears, read it for a moment so you understand what's happening. Typically, it will remind you that while other group members will not see your name, group admins and Facebook itself may still be able to see who you are for safety and moderation reasons. Once you've read that information and you're comfortable with it, click on the "Got it" button to confirm you understand. This step simply tells Facebook that you agree to the way anonymous posting works. Now you're ready to write your post. Type your question, story, or message in the text box, just like you would with any other post. You can still follow the group rules, avoid sharing personal details you don't want revealed, and be as clear as possible so people can help you or respond thoughtfully. When you're happy with what you've written, double check that the anonymous toggle is still turned on. This is important before you publish. Once you've confirmed that, click on the Submit or Post button to publish your anonymous post to the group. And that's it. Your message will now appear in the group without showing your name to other members, while still keeping you within Facebook's safety and community guidelines.